Is joint pain slowing your life down? The expert team at Orange Regional's Bone and Joint Center has helped thousands of people reduce pain and get back to an active lifestyle. Located in Middletown, Orange Regional offers a variety of orthopedic procedures, from traditional therapies to total joint replacement, including minimally invasive procedures. Today's joint replacement techniques are less painful than ever, have fewer complications, and offer shorter recovery times. While results vary, in some cases patients can be discharged from the hospital within 23 hours. So don't just live with orthopedic pain and discomfort. Get back to doing the things you love to do. To find an orthopedic surgeon at Orange Regional Medical Center's Bone and Joint Center, visit www.ormc.org/ortho.